हाय ऑल। सो आप आपके लिए मैं एक कंप्लीट n8n का ऑटोमेटेड फ्लो लेके आया हूँ जिसमें आप ये देख सकते हो कि हाउ यू gonna to build your complete D2C brand dashboard. So where you can check your complete in and out uh, flow of your sales and marketing, right? So like, are you still manually pulling data from Shopify or like your website, right? And Meta ads, Google ads, and Google Analytics every week, right? And putting all together and building a report manually, right? It is completely, difficult to giving so much effort or hire someone to give you the complete dashboard, right? What if your sales and marketing dashboard update itself automatically and even told you what to do next, right? So that is the thing actually I have built over here. So let me show you the dashboard how it look like. So here it is a complete dashboard, right? So if you just select the city, then you will get the numbers accordingly. And this is actually complete automated build dashboard. So let me go through the one by one, right? So every D2C brand owner I know is juggling the same chaos, like your Shopify orders or your website orders, Meta Ads Manager for ad performance, Google Ads for search campaigns, Google Analytics for website traffic. You are logging into 4 different platforms, downloading CSV files, and spending hours every week just to answer basic question like, are my ads profitable? Which products are driving revenue? Am I acquiring new customer or just repeat buyers? Right. That is the thing. Actually, they generally D2C brand, like any brands, those who are selling their products in the market, actually facing this problem. So problem is like data is scattered across multiple platforms. Manual reporting is time consuming and error prone. No single view of sales and marketing performance, and delayed insight mean delayed decision and lost revenue. So I built an end-to-end automated dashboard using n8n, a powerful workflow automation tool. This dashboard pulls data from all your sources automatically, merge it and processing it with AI, right? So in this n8n flow, I have used AI flow like LLM and the RAG. Based on that, delivers a ready-to-read HTML format, either on demoed or on a weekly schedule, right? So whenever you want to check your report, you can see even the weekly schedule also is there. Like you can schedule your report weekly, bi-weekly, so you will get a report on weekly basis. Or else, if you want to get a report at any point of time, this flow will work accordingly. How the dashboards work step by step. Let me go through the step by step. So first one is the trigger, right? So this one is the completely trigger ones. So runs on weekly schedule or when you visit the webhook URL, right? So in this section you can see this URL, right? So whenever you want to see your report, so you can just simply copy this URL and you will get the report automatically. Or else this weekly schedule also, like every specific time on every week, this report will publish, right? And you will get your data. So set the data range in the second node over here. So it is actually automatically calculating the reporting period in this node section. So I have deployed some programming over here, so it will calculate automatic. And the pull in this section actually pulling all those data right from the different sources. Like you can see over here, Shopify orders, Shopify new customer sheet, the Meta ad inside, Google ad inside, and the Google Analytics 4 sheet over here. So how it is actually working? Let me give you some brief information. Like you have your own website, right? You can just export your data from your own website, like whether it is Shopify, WooCommerce, or you have developed your own website. So you can just export the CSV file and upload into the Google Sheet. Same concept over here in Meta Ads. So you just need to export your meta ads in the CSV file format, then just simply upload in your Google Sheet. Then same thing happening over here in the Google Ads campaign sheet. So you need to export your Google Ads CSV file and the Google Analytics 4 sheet. Same thing. So we need to export Google Analytics CSV file. So and upload into the Google Sheet. So after uploading all your data in this sheet, then it will come to the merging section. So we actually deploying SQL query over here. So based on the SQL query, so it is actually merging all your data set in this single place, right? Then I'll go to this node section, process and aggregate data. After merging all this data into the single table, right? Actually, it is coming from the different table. Now it merge into the single table and it will come into this node section, the process and aggregate data, right? So this is the most and critical part, right? Where we need to clean, aggregate and structure all data for analysis purpose over here in this section. Then the AI insight. So over here, like in this section, we have deployed AI, like LLM and the RAG model over here. So it will generate smart insight and the business alert in this section, in this node section. Then after that, it will come to this build dashboard automatically, right? So over here we have deployed JS script with HTML. So it will create a complete dashboard, and in this webhook we will get the output, right? So it will look like this one. So let me go to the this flow and let me show you how it will run. So first I need to select this one webhook option because uh, I'm not going to wait for the weekly trigger right now, right? So that is the reason I need to select this option. So just click on run, double click, then copy and then paste. So in this dashboard, let me tell you one thing. Like most dashboard just show you a number, but this one tell you what those numbers mean. After processing all data, the AI generate insight and alerts. Things like your ROAS dropped 23% this week, and your new customer acquisition is up to like some percentage, but repeat purchases are declining. These are actionable in business signals and not just charts, right? It is actually completely blended dashboard, you can say. So you can see over here the Meta ROAS, Google ROAS, and the blended ROAS over here. And new customer, how much new customer you have acquired, right? Conversion rate over here, and the total revenue and the total ad expenses over here, and the net revenue, gross profit, the total orders. All those things you can see in the single dashboards. And in the bottom section, you can see Meta ads, Google ads, and the Google traffic, right, in the first page. And you can see in the top section date range and the city and this reset. So once you, if I let me show you. So in the date range, you can see last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and the last 1 year data. There is a custom range also. If I'll select the custom range, so you can see the another pop-up window will come and this place I just need to select the date, like from which date to till which date I need to see my data, right? So my sales and marketing data. So let me, because in this data I have actually deployed only 1 year data, like January 2025 to December 2025 data, right? So based on that, actually I'm using filter. So first 2025 to, suppose, let me select any date, like June 30th. So apply. Now you can see number has been changed, and this data actually giving you all insight based on the all city. And if I want to see like with how many cities we have sold our products, so you can see so many names over here. So let me select any city like Mumbai. So for the Mumbai, I can see I got revenue this much, net revenue this much, gross profit this much, and the total orders and everything it is there. And in the sales section, I can see how much we have done for the sales over here, right? And in the bottom section, you can see the revenue by channel, like from which you get how much revenue, right? So from your website, Facebook, Instagram, the revenue is split over here. And the city analysis, if I select only Mumbai, then it will give you the Mumbai-based data. But if I want to change for all cities, so it will give you the all city data. So Ahmedabad in the top, then Kolkata, then Jaipur, Aurangabad, Rajkot, Agra, Kalyan, Ludhiana. Revenue by city also you can see, orders by city, average of volume you can see over here, average order volume you can see. And then in the bottom section, city performance table, right? So every city's data you can see over here, like Ahmedabad, orders, how many orders, revenue, average of order volume, customers, and the share percentage. Then in this section, conversion and the funnel, right? How much session, it is completely based on the GA4 analytics, right? Google Analytics reports you can see over here. Then customer and LTV, like how many new customer you have gained, how much returns, repeat purchase rate, customer LTV, customer acquisition cost, and LTV versus CAC. So this thing you can see over here, and then marketing, in the marketing and the ROAS. This is a very important for each and every startup and like any D2C brand, right? So this is very important for each and every company. So where you can see the total ad spend, Meta, how much you have spent, Google, how much, blended ROAS, cost per purchase, you can see over here, and Meta CTR. And then ROAS comparison over here, Meta, Google, blended ROAS, and the targeted. Ad spend is split, so how much you had to spend in which platform. Like I am actually taking the two data like Meta and Google's, right? So based on that, I can see the blended. And the monthly ad spend also you can see over here, and the CTR also, and in the bottom section, Meta ads and Google ads, right? How much we have spent in the which platform. And then the last one is the insight. So insight, it is actually very useful for each and every product owner or the brand owner. So where you can see the Meta ads, Google ads, how much we have spent, right, above 4x target, like everything. And in this section is it is a blended. And the what's working, you can see like the strategy you have deployed is working. You can see over here, and what action we need to do to improve our sales. So you can see over. So it will give you the complete output, right? And then next 30-day growth playbook, prioritize action. So first week, what do you need to go to target over here? Then second week, and then the fourth week, right? So it will give you the 30-day plan also, like how you're gonna to boost your sales based on the marketing. And you will get the suggested SEO and the ad on network, like what type of SEO you're gonna to deploy in your website, on your Google ads and the Meta ads, so that you will get the more customer and the more revenue. And then the based on the city, sales, so it will give the city opportunity metrics also, like the in which city you have to do what, right? So based on that, you can get the you will increase your revenue, right? So you can see over here the expand next, like it is suggesting you like you need to target tier 2 city, right? And you can see over there like lower competition runs COD campaign in the new city, right? And then fixed delivery, offer free shipping threshold to lift order value. So all this thing you can get it over here, right? So actually this dashboard is built specifically for all like D2C brand owners doing anywhere like from 10 lakh to 10 crore in monthly revenue, or like whatever revenue you are doing, right? So that is actually completely built for you. So if you're running paid ads on Meta and Google, selling on Shopify, or you are selling from your website, right? You're tired uh, of jumping between platform to understand your business performance. So this is for you. So if you want this exact dashboard for your D2C brand, so you can comment dashboard below, and I'll reach out to you personally or DM me directly. I'm setting up custom implementation for a limited number of brand this month. So if you want any customization in this report, right, so you can just connect with me, or you can just drop a message in the below comments, or you can connect with me via email. So I'll drop my email ID in the comment section and link section, so you can get it from there. So thank you everyone.